Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anwar bin Muhammad Shukti, and my ID is TG25060. So for maintenance technology, I choose the title of my problem is chiller system frequently trips and energy consumption increases. So the chiller system frequently trips and energy consumption increases. So what's that mean? So it means that the chiller system often shut down and unexpectedly trips, and as the result, its energy usage becomes higher than normal. The chiller repeatedly stops due to faults, overloads, protection systems, or unstable operating conditions. Because the chiller restarts many times or runs inefficiently, it uses more electricity than it should. Okay, next we go to the problem overview. Chiller system frequently trips or shut down. Energy consumption increase even at the same cooling load, and the results in operational disruption, higher electricity costs, and reduced equipment lifespan. Okay, next we go to the common causes of frequent tripping. First is high condenser pressure. High condenser pressure is caused by a dirty condenser or cooling tower. Then insufficient water or oxygen. Secondly is abnormal refrigerant pressure. Refrigerant leakage or overcharging. And next, electrical problems is only two causes of current and voltage fluctuation. And and next is fault sensors or controls. It's cause of temperature or pressure sensor failure. And the last one is poor maintenance. Poor maintenance is caused by fault heat exterior or clock filters. Okay, so we go to the causes of increased energy consumption. Um, chiller operating at low efficiency, and then falling in evaporator and condenser, inefficient part load operation, compressor short cycling on or off, and lastly, incorrect system setting or control strategy. Okay, next we go to the effect of on system performance. First, reduce coefficient of movement. Next, increase power consumption. And next, higher risk of compressor damage. And lastly is increased maintenance and repair costs. Okay, moreover is key monitoring parameter. Um, suction and discharge pressure, chill water supply and return temperature, compressor current and voltage, power consumption and alarm and trip history. Okay, so for recommended solution is implement regular preventive maintenance and clean condenser and evaporator surface. Next, check refrigerant level and system leakage. Calibrate sensors and control devices. Also, we ensure proper water flow rates, use real-time energy monitoring, and optimize student set points and learning strategies. So for conclusion of my project is frequent challenge tripping and increased energy consumption show that the system is not operating efficiently. These problems are usually caused by poor maintenance, faulty components, or incorrect system settings. If not addressed, they can increase operating costs and reduce equipment life. Regular maintenance, proper monitoring, and correct system adjustments can help reduce tripping, save energy, and improve overall schedule performance. So that's all from me. Thank you.